Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix application error code 0xc0000906 on Windows 11 or 10. So how to fix this problem application error. So very easy to fix this problem. So firstly you need to search. Now search cmd, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrators. Now here you need to type this command line. If you comment, so I will give in decision box, so you need to just copy and paste this command line. So first command is sfc spaceless scan now, this command line. So simply type this command line. And second command is this. If you comment, so I will give in decision box. This command is very easy to type this command. So type it, and second command, if you comment, so I will give in decision box. You need to just copy and paste this command. After this command process will be complete, so close it. Now restart your PC or laptop, and after restart you can easily resolve this problem. Fix application error 0xc0000906 on Windows 11 or 10. So this way you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.